In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time spent on a task in Wrike. Tracking your time directly on tasks is really helpful for understanding where your day goes, estimating future work, and reporting hours to your team or clients. In Wrike, this only takes a few clicks, and once you've done it a couple of times, it will feel very natural. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, open Wrike and navigate to the project or folder where your task is located. You can be in a table view, list view, or another view that shows your tasks. Now, select the task you want to log time on. You can do this by clicking the task name. This opens the task panel on the right side of your screen, where you can see details like the description, assignees, and dates. Once the task panel is open, look for the time tracking section. You should see a time display that, if you haven't logged anything yet, will show something like 0 to. Next to that time, there will be a small arrow or drop-down icon. Click on this arrow on the 0 display. This opens the time entry window for that specific task. In the time entry window, you'll see fields where you can type in the time you worked on the task. Usually this is entered in hours and minutes. For example, if you spent 1.5 hours, you could type 1:30. Take a moment to double check your entry so the numbers are accurate. Some setups may also let you choose the date, add a description, or select a category. But the key part here is entering the amount of time you actually spent. After you've typed in the time you worked on, look for the button that lets you confirm the entry. It will be labeled Add Entry. Click on Add Entry to save your time log to the task. Once you do this, the time you entered will be recorded and will show up in the time tracking area for that task. If you refresh or reopen the task, you'll see that the 0 has been replaced with the total time you've logged. And that's all you need to do to add time spent on a task in Wrike. Open the task, click the arrow on the time display, type in how long you worked, and click Add Entry to save it.